John, I think you talk about the city issue is just like this, right? Just two logger. The two logger keep doing that, right? This problem happen is because this two logger, one of them is broken. Maybe two of them both broken. Right now this one is broken. Because this one is not working because I take this two cable out. Alright, I take the cable out, so it causes this issue. So for you to check, it's like, how did you know which locker is broken? So both these two got this cable, right? You just take this cable out, and the black one, and the white one, right? From the motor side. How do you check that out? As you can see, currently it's beep. I connect it here. Beep. You short circuit. If I try to put it back, it stop. Right? Short circuit. If you go to this way locker, you should short circuit. And once you turn to this way, it should be open. It should be open circuit, not short circuit. So this is how you check which locker is broken. See that? So one of them is broken. You check out which one. You can test it about this way.